What's up everybody, Ammar here, and this is my Bose QC15 noise cancelling headphones. I'm using these headphones since almost 7 years, I believe so far, and it's really amazing. I like the sound quality and the noise cancelling, really amazing. These headphones used to be the golden standard for noise cancelling headphones, and still it's amazing headphones, but it starts showing its age. And as you can see here in my case, the cushions, it's almost damaged. And in this video guys, I will show you how to replace the lost or damaged cushions with a new pair. What I'm showing here guys, it is not just for Bose, it's applicable for any headphones. You can just go to Amazon and search for your headphones model, and you can find a pair of cushions to replace your lost or damaged cushions. In my case here, I've managed to find a pair of cushions made by Bose. This is really nice. So I got the original cushions from Bose, and you can find also some pairs made by other companies also for Bose or for any other headphones brand. It's okay, you can just get these pairs, and the installation procedure really simple. By following the instructions, you can easily replace the damaged cushions. For me, it's really worth it. By just spending $20 to $25, you can save $300 headphones. Now again, I can use my Bose QC15 noise cancelling headphones. Guys, in the description below, I will keep some links from where you can get some replacement cushions for your headphones. You can check the compatibility as well. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.